Hey guys, my name is Kumar. You're watching me. Let's start today's video without having any further delay. So basically, this video is going to be routine of 9th July 2025, and today is Wednesday. And continuously to shooting the day of routine video, that is 581 days of routine video. So this video is going to be routine of day 581 days of routine video, and I am very near to reach day 600 of continuously shooting the video without skipping any single day, right? So around 19 days are more left, and also by this month I have completed 19th month, right? Also one thing I want to share you, that is the upcoming 19th July is going to be my birthday. In 19th July, my 19th birthday of 19th month of continuously shooting the video, right? There is a 319, 19th, 19 July, first 19 July I will be 19th year old, right? Basically in 19th July is my birthday, right? And 19th July will be also to this July month. I have completed the 19th month of continuously shooting the video. Basically I have calculated, right? So yes, and I think that there is also 119 happened, so I am not remembering right now, but 319 I already told you, right? This is a coincidence, maybe, I think so, right? So yes, so let's start today's shooting video. And also after this video only 19 days or more to reach day 600 of continuously shooting video. By this today there is 490, right? So yes, let's start. Basically today, first of all I wake up, then after that I wash my mouth, then due to this some reason I want to share you guys, due to this some reason I was unable to shoot the video. This is, if I seriously tell you, this is not a lightning issue, this is not a table issue, this is not any issue. I don't have any issue to shoot the videos on the time, but I don't consider that is a problem. The thing what is actually I'm going to share you, that is the main thing which I have to give first priority, that is my studies, right? Yeah, I actually know that I can if I give 10 minutes to shoot the video, this will not harm for my studies. Yes, this is all my fault, that due to the some things I started doing the such kind of things, I don't shoot video. I don't think it is a matter of study. I can take 10 minutes for shooting the video. This will not harm my all over the studies, right? I can shoot video of 10 minutes, so study is not an issue, right? So it is my fault. So in future I will shoot video first, then after that some other things which is not actually good on the time, just for an entertainment purpose, I just rejected, right? So if I tell you seriously, just if I give more priority to the entertainment if I compare to uploading the videos. That is why sometimes I skip these days of routine video. Then at the end when I start the shooting video, firstly I have to shoot the skip days routine of video, which will take so much time, right? So this is the thing what is actually I'm gonna share you. So videos, if I compare between three things, study, my first priority is study, second priority is shooting video, and third priority is my entertainment, right? So that is the thing what is actually I'm gonna share you. If I complete my study, if I complete my shooting the videos, right, then I have so much time for entertainment, right? So yes guys, this is the thing what actually I'm gonna share you, right? So I told you my three priority: first priority is study, second priority is shooting video, third priority is entertainment. So after that what I had done, I checked again mic. Basically my sister ordered a one mic, but that was not working. This is the second day today, I again started checking, but that was not working. So what I had done, I just returned the order, right? On my phone app I just returned the order. The delivery boy will come to pick up that particular order, right? Then after that I studied basically the order what I had returned at the time of night, right? So I'm talking about in day I studied. Then after that I was just trying to search how to make notice board, how to make notice board from thermocol, right? I just searched in YouTube, right? So this is the thing what actually happened on that time. And After that I studied, and at the time of evening I ate food, and after some time later I went for the sleep. So basically guys, this is the thing what is actually happened in my today's routine video. I hope you have really understood this video. If you have really understood this video, then kindly please like it, because whenever you like some videos it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos in a very continuous manner, right? So now in this video I'm gonna to basically I started the basic concepts of taxation, right? So in this video I'm going to talk about the income from salary, about taxation, about whatever the income we have received in form of salary, what amount is taxable, what amount is gonna be exempt, what amount is not gonna be taxed. In simple email, I think email I listened from some where simple and made some this such kind of words, right? So firstly let me brought my book, right? So let's start. Income under salaries. Basic element of salary. Payer and payee must have employer and employee, or master or servant, or master and servant relationship, and payment must have been made by the employer in such capacity. So there should be an employer and employee relationship should be established, right? So employer-employee relationship. A payment can be construed as salary only if the payer is the employer and payee is the employee of the payer. Criteria for employer-employee relationship. The key criteria to hold this relationship is that employee is always bound to work as per directions and supervision of the employer. Payment in employer's capacity to treat any payment as salary is necessary that the payer, being the employer, must have made the payment in such employer's capacity. Contract of service versus contract for service. In contract of service, the employer can direct and control the duties and the manner of performance of employee, hence employer-employee relationship exists in such contract. However, in case of contract for service, the contractee can simply decide and quote the object or target to be achieved by cannot decide or direct the manner of performance. Agent and principal. If a person is acting as an agent for his principal, any commission or remuneration earned by the agent is not taxable under the head salaries. This is because an agent is not the employee of his principal. Okay. Some noteworthy examples. A teacher receives emoluments in kind from the school in which he teaches. It is taxable as salary. It is immaterial whether salary has been received in cash or in kind. A teacher of a college receives fees from a university for checking answer sheets. It is not taxable as salary, as employer-employee relationship does not exist between payer and payee. College teacher is not the employee of the university. Such receipt shall be taxable under the head income from other sources. A payment made to the member of the parliament or the state legislature. It is not taxable as salary, as employer-employee relationship does not exist. A member of the parliament or the state legislature is not treated as an employee of the government. Payment received by them shall be taxable under the head income from other sources. Salary received by a partner from its firm shall not be taxable as salary because there is no employer-employee relationship between the firm and the partner. Such salary shall be taxable under the head profits and gains of business or profession. So till that example what I had learned, there should be an employer and employee relationship should be established if some income so that can be considered taxable, right? So yes. Salary received by proprietor from his proprietorship firm is not an income, as proprietor and proprietorship firm are the same person and no one can earn from himself. Remuneration to director from his company can be treated as salary only if the director is the employee of the company. Otherwise, the same shall be taxable under the head income from other sources. No, director sitting fee is taxable under the head income from other sources. Pension received by the widow or legal heir of deceased employee is not taxable because the widow is not the employee. The widow's husband was employed. The widow's husband follow the employer's relationship, right? Is not taxable as salary, as no employer-employee relationship exists between the payer and the payee. However, such amount shall be taxable under the head income from other sources. Remuneration received by judges is taxable under the head salaries, even though they are not having any employer. Okay, he or she not an employee of central state government. So this is all guys what is actually happened. So I think that it is all enough for today guys. So let's end the video guys. See you all again. Bye bye.